Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Except not good night, it's good morning. I just finished my shift at work, just waiting for the car to warm up a little bit before I go driving. I have a dolly that I need to return today, and I have some food to deliver to a company that helped me move some vending machines. And then maybe, if I'm feeling like it, maybe we'll go and put Mountain Dew in the vending machine at the Inca Inn. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Alright, back in the shed once again. We're gonna see if we can get another bullseye. Oh hey, we did get a bullseye. Right there. Really? Huh. First shot. Well, I was able to get a couple anyway. On to the next thing. You know what we can do though? I haven't started my generator in quite a while. Let's start this up. That's good. Still runs good. I only ran it like maybe 2 hours. Probably not even that. Probably doesn't even need an oil change yet. Alright, so this is what I'm going to spend the next couple hours doing. This right here is the screw that I need. I know I bought a pack of them. I just don't remember where I put them. And I think I might have mixed them in with like my regular screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all these things of screws. And I'm going to see if I can find as many of these as I need. Alright, I've found like 9 of them. And I've gone through all these. I've also been separating them. Phillips and flat. That's where we're at. I was able to find all of the screws that I needed for this project. However, I think I'm going to go with a different screw. I'm going to go with these ones. They're slightly longer. They're not going to go through the plywood all the way. And they're going to get a little bit deeper of a bite. These are the ones I was using, and these ones worked fine, but I want to get just a little bit more of a bite just so that I know for sure that I'm going to be able to have them stay. Here's the front of my shed. I've got it on there. It's not even. That's the whole reason that I waited to install it. I don't know. I like it, but I wish it was even. I have a couple screws still to replace, but arches, mechanic, right there, in license plate letters. So I'm going to replace those screws. I think there's 1, 2 up there, and then maybe 2 down here. And then this is the front of the shed. And I did all these license plates like tile, or like, not tile, what are they called? Shingles. So this actually overlaps this one. This one overlaps this one. So when the rain comes, it just goes straight down. And same with all these on the roof. So there, that one overlaps, that one overlaps, that one overlaps, and so on. All the way down the side. And as you can see here, I have a whole pile more of license plates that I'm going to put onto this side of the shed as soon as it warms up. I've been labeling all my screws and nuts and bolts. I had these ones pretty much done. These ones I didn't have labeled at all, so now I have Phillips course, Phillips course, Phillips course, Phillips course, Phillips course, Phillips course, square head screws, flathead wood screws, Torx wood, Torx wood, Torx wood, and lag bolts. So right here I've got nails and washers, lock washers, etc. Big nuts, because they're bigger nuts than the small nuts. So yeah, I've been just labeling and organizing. These ones, they're all machine screws, but I have like flatheads mixed with Phillips in here. So I need to go through and organize all these. I need to get the flats with the flats, Phillips with the Phillips, and then I can label those. This one's empty. I didn't have, there's nothing in there. I have 4 empty ones down here, so I just need to label all these. I got regular bolts over here, anchors, wire nuts, hooks, getting organized. I love being organized, especially when I'm looking for something, because there will be times where I'm like, I need wood screws, okay? I need this long of wood screws. And I do kind of have them like organized. So the longer wood screws are with the longer wood screws, and the shorter wood screws are with the short wood screws. Yeah, that's what I've been doing the last like 3 hours, is just organizing screws. But they are organized. I actually found some broken screws. I found some square head screws in the Phillips screws. So as long as I'm the only one using these screws, they're not gonna get mixed up. Although I was looking at these bins, I actually got these for free. And on Amazon, they're like $45 a piece. And where are you? It appears I'm missing a drawer. I'll probably find it sometime. Well, it's starting to rain and it is getting late, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.